Fresh from another successful exploit at the Carifta Games in Grenada, Jamaica's junior athletes returned to the island on Tuesday with a table-topping 71 medals. Garfield Jones reports.
The young athletes continued the nation's dominance at the regional games as they again topped the medal table for a 40th consecutive year. When they landed at the Norman Manley International Airport, they were greeted by Sports Minister Olivia Grange and President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Garth Gale. Minister Grange lauded the exploits of the athletes, who garnered 28 gold, 27 silver and 16 bronze medals.
You have always been champions. You left Jamaica as champions and you have come back as heroes because your performance has been excellent. You have never disappointed us and we are so proud of you. You are young ambassadors. You are not just about what is happening now, but what the future holds.
Shania Douglas copped the Austin Seeley Award for the most outstanding athlete of the championship. She returned with 3 gold medals from the 100, 200 and 4x100 meters. Her 22.11 seconds in the 200 meters ranks her joint third all-time with Allyson Felix of the USA in the World Under-20 category. Her performance was also a new national junior record, improving on the 22.36 seconds she ran at the Boys and Girls Championships just under 2 weeks ago. Now, Douglas says she anticipated a fast time this season based on her training, but was still surprised when she saw the clock.
It was just me going out there executing my race plan actually, and I was happy that I was able to execute it properly, and the result of that is me running the time, and I'm extremely happy. I was somewhat surprised, yes. It's a really fast time, but still I've been training hard, so it was expected eventually.
Douglas's coach Garth Smythe was at a loss for words when asked to describe their performances this season.
Well, honestly, the words, I can't find the words. I am still trying to come to grips with the season thus far. Even though, like I told you earlier on in the earlier interview, we had sat down and we had made some, plans and set some goals. Well, what I can say at this point is most of those goals are accomplished. The bigger one is down the road in August. So that's what we're really working towards right now. Yeah.
Now, Douglas has been attracting attention from a number of universities overseas. However, Smythe says she will remain in Jamaica for at least one more season.
Well, we have not made any decision. We know where she's still in school. Our goal is for her to finish high school and then take the next step. Yeah, she'll be back at Allen. She'll be back.
Latrice East, Joseph Salmon, Jason Pitter, and Sanjay Seymour were among the athletes proudly showcasing their medals. Jamaica's medal tally this year was 7 less than the 78 won at last year's edition in Trinidad and Tobago. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.